Hi, I'm Tony Lee with Alabama Housing Finance Authority. Today we presented Chad Cantrell with Certainty Home Loans out of Huntsville with the Fiscal Year 21 Leading Lender Award. We wanted to talk with Chad about his success in the mortgage industry and how the programs at Alabama Housing have helped his home buyers achieve home ownership. So how long have you been working with Alabama Housing programs?
I think I've been working, I think at least probably 13 or 14 years that I can remember, back when they had the designated bond money. I mean, like a long time ago. And so yeah, about as long as I can remember.
So what do you think the biggest advantage for the step-up program is to the home buyer?
Oh, definitely the down payment assistance portion of it, getting to do 100% financing now, because right now, with this being such a seller's market, unfortunately, not a lot of sellers are paying closing costs, so buyers have to carry their own closing costs and escrows. And so when we can help out with the down payment portion of it through you guys, it really helps everyone.
So have you utilized the MCC program with your home buyers?
Yes.
And how has that helped your home buyers?
So for the first-time home buyers that may not qualify as far as debt ratios, if we had the MCC program portion of it, a lot of times it'll pull them under that threshold, and now where we can qualify for the house that fits their needs.
So what makes you recommend step up in MCC to your program, to your borrowers?
So when we look at, of course, every borrower is different. We're looking at, you know, what kind of payment they're interested in, how much cash they want to bring to closing, and also the area that they're buying in. So like, for example, the step up can be used anywhere. It can be used, you know, city, county, so there's no place restrictions or location restrictions. Also, you guys now have increased your income limits, and it's no longer household, so that broadens the amount of people that can qualify for the program, whereas before it was a little bit more restrictive. So now a lot of people that wouldn't prior could qualify now that they can.
So how do you rate the process of working with Alabama Housing on our programs?
Well, I think it's very easy. We've worked together so long, it's just like second nature. We know, you know, just the flow of things. But for you guys, you know, it's just keeping in touch with the rate, which is published on the website, keeping the borrowers informed of when we need the lock-in money, and you know, just how it works. But for us, it's so easy and so smooth. It's just really not much different than any other loan we do.
What do you find most enjoyable or rewarding about your job?
Definitely it's helping people. If you're ever going to work with the public, you have to, in my opinion, get rewarded, you know, by helping people. So it's not about the money, it's not about the, you know, and this award is very nice, don't get me wrong, but it's not about any kind of fame or anything like that. It's, you know, just doing the right thing and doing it behind the scenes when nobody's looking. And then when those families are getting the keys to the new house and those kids are smiling and, you know, they're getting a place they call home for their memories, and they, you know, for these kids, it's going to be the place where they grow up, and know that we had a little hand in that. It's very rewarding to me.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
My advice or recommendations is, if there are any lenders not using you guys, I would encourage them to give you a try. So many times we've saved deals by having access to your program. People, you know, needing money with the down payment assistance portion. So thankfully, with our partnership, you know, with you guys, we've been able to offer a lot more people houses that couldn't have gotten before. So if lenders aren't, you know, using you, give you a try and just try it out. I think they'll really be pleased.
We just had a nice conversation with Chad Cantrell with Certainty Home Loans in Huntsville, who is our Fiscal Year 21 Leading Lender.